Hi, I'm Avery Clyde and welcome to CCC News. Today I want to share with you the Impact Scholarship. Right now, in the marketplace, women of color are carrying the highest toxic load. Beautycounter is the leader of the clean beauty movement, with a mission to get safer products into the hands of everyone. To support that effort, I am thrilled to announce the Impact Scholarship. Every month, Beautycounter will provide 25 clean beauty advocates with everything they need to start a business for free. This includes one digital enrollment kit, which is your website, training, anything back office, and one Deluxe Starter Set, which is valued in the United States at $1,354 or in Canada at $1,764, and one Pay It Forward Enrollment Code. As vocal advocates for clean beauty and healthy lifestyles, Beautycounter Consultants, they inspire, they educate their communities to choose safer products, bringing us one step closer to a clean future for all. Applications are accepted at the 1st through the 3rd of every month, and up to 600 applications will be accepted each month, 25 scholarship winners being announced the following month. Now, I know we have an emphasis on the BIPOC community as they're getting hit the hardest in the marketplace, but anyone in an underrepresented community should apply. Lgbtqia, folks with disabilities, everyone needs this education. Let's make an impact. Thank you for watching CCC News. Please like and subscribe, and if you'd like to be a contributor to CCC News, drop me a DM or a comment below. Thanks all. Stay curious.